Hey everyone, my name is Dr. Jeff O'Boyle. I'm a family medicine physician at Beyond Primary Care, and we're located in Ann Arbor, Michigan. I want to put together this video for any of my current patients and any prospective patients about epinephrine injection devices. If you're lucky enough to get a prescription from your primary care physician for epinephrine injection device and your health insurance covers it, again, you should consider yourself lucky. Many people who receive these prescriptions and go to retail pharmacies for these 2 packs of injection devices often find themselves paying upwards of $600 for these devices. Obviously, this amount is very cost prohibitive for many individuals and families, and especially considering that the epinephrine lasts 2 years at best before it expires, but oftentimes 1 year. At Beyond Primary Care, for our enrolled patients, we have came up with a little bit of a DIY savings hack that allows our patients to save hundreds of dollars, quite literally, on these devices. And so this is an example here of an auto-injector 2-pack that we offer our patients for epinephrine, and this is an example of self-injector devices of epinephrine that we offer our patients. You can see for both devices, they're both relatively small, they're both very compact. This is, again, a self-injection device. You can feel that it's pretty safe. The needle protruding there, but you will not poke yourself or injure yourself unless the needle is in use outside of its container. This is an example of an auto-injector device, and this is very convenient, very safe. The instructions are on both of these, and this one will not auto-discharge even by pressing the button. You can see here, bring this as a little bit closer to the video, you can see a little red button there. That's sort of your safety mechanism. Again, you will not auto-discharge the needle unexpectedly, thus wasting the epinephrine as long as this is shown. So over here, what we have is some medical grade demonstration skin that I want to show everyone the ease of use of these 2 devices, whether or not my patients get the auto injectors or the self injectors. Here's an auto injector. Again, just by pressing a button, it will not discharge a needle with the epinephrine. However, I press it down and you're going to see that sort of red area disappear here as it becomes more compact of a device. I press down on the button right here and you're going to hear the needle discharge. And the needle has gone into the skin. I'm going to withdraw that and bring that closer to the camera. We can compare that against my shirt to see the needle actually protruding through the device. Over here is an example of a self-injection device. Again, it's compact. Either device can be held securely in a backpack, bag. Each device here is sold in a 2-pack at our clinic, so if you want to keep one in a bag and one at home in a cabinet for safeguard, that's a good idea. For these self-injection devices, simply open the container. It comes preloaded with the epinephrine already. You remove the cap as such, stick this in the skin, and press on the plunger, thus injecting the epinephrine. So again, my name is Dr. Jeff O'Boyle, demonstrating the use of epinephrine injection devices at Beyond Primary Care. Thank you.